some delicious veggie chunks, guys. If you're interested in this one, come let's make this one together. Right, and this is the one I'm using. Add this to a bowl, and then we're going with some hot water enough to cover, and then I'm gonna add a little vinegar because the chunks have a funny taste, so you can use vinegar or some lime juice or lemon juice inside it. And then just a little stir. Cover it and leave it for about 30 minutes or until the water cools. Alright, so we're going now. Alright, so we're gonna take this. And we're gonna rinse it off with some cold water. Drain off the excess water, and then we season. So these are the list of ingredients that we have. We have the chunks that is soaked already, and we have some garlic, pimento seed, and ginger. We have some green seasoning. We have our Maggi all-purpose seasoning. We have some complete seasoning or turmeric, paprika, soy sauce, and some Walker's Wood jerk seasoning. So I'm gonna crush the ginger, garlic, and the pimento seed. Alright, we have covered coming on one, them fly out. Okay. Alright, so we are going, I'm gonna add that. Also going with a spoon of green seasoning. Also a spoon of the Walker's Wood jerk seasoning. We're going with a little soy sauce, the Maggi all-purpose seasoning, paprika, turmeric, it's a complete seasoning. So we are going and combine this. Guys, I'm just going to the fridge, remember find this, so I'm gonna add a little to it. If I shake it up. A little. I'm just gonna cover this refrigerator until tomorrow. So guys, we're gonna take the chunks out of the fridge, make it go back to room temperature before we cook it, right? So this is all we have. Okay, we're gonna set on a Dutch pot and we're gonna pour a little oil, not too much. So you're gonna take like a spoon of sugar and you're gonna add that to the oil, right? All right, so I'm gonna go in with it now. Once you pour everything in, beat like a minute before you start turning. Then we're gonna turn it. All right, we get another minute or two. And then we turn again. So we're going to continue to turn it until the meat gets a nice color. Alright, so the water dry out of this. And the color, oh Lord, oh. Color look nice. Alright, so what we're going to do now, I'm going to add some cock soup. If you don't have cock soup, taste it. And if it need any more salt, you can add some all-purpose. Alright, so I'm going to dump that here. And guys, this is because the chunks porous, so the season where you season it with might not be enough. So you have to taste it before you add any salt to the pot. Alright, so just I'm going with this. with some coconut milk. Okay, and then we'll combine it. Alright, I add a little more water to this. A cup is in there, but I use about half of it. So I have some pinto beans, I'm going to add to it. Okay, cover that down. These are the vegetables that we're using. We're using onion, carrot, pepper, thyme, and red, green, and yellow bell peppers. Alright, so we'll chop onion. Piece of chop too big. Go in with the red bell pepper. We need to go look for my other knife because this now going with that thing. Green bell pepper. And then yellow bell pepper. Cut up on pepper. Alright, so I'll go with half of it. I'm gonna use some of the seed. If you don't like spice, skip this part. So I add some of the seed. We have some thyme. Our carrot. And here are the list of ingredients that we have. We have onion, thyme, red, green, and yellow bell peppers, and carrot. All right, I'm gonna go in and see. Oh, go on. It just looks so good. Okay. So we're gonna add the seasoning to the pot. So we have so we'll combine this. Okay. And guys, from the peas, I'm gonna pour some of the peas water in this instead of using water. All right. So we'll cover this. We'll cover this and allow everything to come together. So I'll give it 10 more minutes, then we'll come back. So this is the end result. Now up close of the veggie chunks with peas. Guys, if you've made it this far, don't forget to like, share, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in another one. Bye guys.